Today, we came to the production workshop of Warren Doors and Windows to look at a key process that determines the lifespan of doors and windows. Corner joint glue injection. I believe many customers have heard of this term, but aren't quite clear on what it actually means. So today, we came to Warren's workshop to take everyone through the full process of corner joint glue injection. Insert the high-strength corner cleats and custom corner code pieces into the hollow cavity of the aluminum profile. Different positions in the profile cavities house different models and sizes of corner cleats and pieces. To ensure a high level of precise fit for the whole assembly, evenly apply a cross-section sealant on the 45-degree cut face of the profile. The purpose of this step is to prevent rainwater from seeping into the gap at the miter joint. The sealant will penetrate into these tiny microscopic gaps on the metal surface. Once the sealant cures, it forms a waterproof barrier, completely blocking the pathway for water infiltration. Next, assemble the 4 frame sides of the window into a rectangle. Then use a corner crimping machine to perform mechanical pressing. The machine tightly crimps the 2 aluminum profiles together. We can see 2 small grooves on the side, which pull and lock it tight. This belongs to the hydraulic corner crimping method. Another method is the pin-locking corner assembly method, connecting the 2 aluminum profiles using this pin before injecting glue. Hydraulic crimping and pin-locking assembly are 2 different processes, but their purpose is the same. After completing the corner joint, the next step is glue injection. Because tiny gaps still exist between the corner cleat and the profile, the most critical step is glue injection. We use 2-component structural adhesive. Inject it through the injection hole. When the glue overflows from the hole, it means the cavity is completely filled. This adhesive bonds the corner, cleats profiles, and section sealants inside the cavity into a single solid entity, making it exceptionally sturdy. Window corners that aren't injected with glue rely solely on mechanical force for rigid joining. Over time, these screws can loosen, resulting in gaps at the corners, which leads to air and water leakage. But corners injected with glue like this form a single, unified piece, windproof, waterproof, non-sagging, more airtight, and far more durable. All 4 corners of Warren Doors and Windows utilize this corner joint glue injection technology. I am Yoyo from Warren Doors and Windows. Which manufacturing process would you like to see in the next video? Leave a comment below.